This is your instructional video for how to fill from your bulk serum. Whether you have the Simplicity serum, the Luminous serum, or the Golden serum, it's all the same. The first step is to gently shake your serum just to make sure all the ingredients are infused equally, and then to twist lock the pump so that it is unlocked. Now you're going to want to just simply pump it into whatever product you're choosing to refill, whether it's your 30 ml bottle or the 5 ml bottle. And we'll just show you a few steps. You can just pump it in until it's all the way full. And similarly, you can do this with the 5 ml bottle. And once you're complete, make sure all the lids are tightly sealed and lock top the serum lid. All done.